In this video, you will learn how to set up IPsec VPN between a FortiGate and a Mac using the default Mac client. This VPN configuration allows Mac users to securely access an internal network and browse the internet through the VPN tunnel. This configuration uses a pre-shared key, but other authentication options are also supported. This video assumes that you have already created a user group called Mac users and an internal firewall address. The FortiGate will provide the user with an IP address when they connect. You should also define the IP range for Mac users and ensure that no other interfaces on the FortiGate use this range to avoid subnet overlaps. We are using OSX Yosemite version 10.10.2. First, go to VPN, IPsec, Wizard, and name the VPN connection. The native Mac client is a Cisco client, so select Dial-Up Cisco Firewall Template. Click Next and set the incoming interface to the Internet-facing interface. Select Pre-shared key for the authentication method. Enter a pre-shared key. Select Mac Users Group, and then click Next. Set local interface to an internal interface, and set local address to the local LAN address. Enter an IP range for VPN users in the client address range field, and ensure that no other interfaces on the FortiGate use this range to avoid subnet overlaps. You can see a list of the objects the wizard just created. Go to Policy and Objects, Objects, Addresses, and confirm that the wizard has created the IPsec VPN firewall address range. Then go to Policy and Objects, IPv4, and confirm that the wizard has created the policy from the VPN tunnel interface to the internal interface. Next, go to Policy and Objects, Policy, IPv4, and create a security policy allowing remote users to access the internet. Click Create New and set Incoming Interface to the tunnel interface. Set Source Address to All. Set Outgoing Interface to the Internet-facing interface. Set Destination Address to All. Service to All. Action to Accept, and enable NAT. Select whichever security profiles you need. You can see the policy you just created here. On the remote user's Mac, go to System Preferences, Network, and click the plus button. Set Interface to VPN. Set VPN type to Cisco IPsec, and click Create. Set the server address to the IP address of the FortiGate's Internet-facing interface. Configure network account details for the remote user, and then click Authentication Settings. Select Shared Secret, and enter the pre-shared key for the VPN. On the Mac, ensure that the VPN is selected and click Connect. The status should change to Connected, and you should be given an IP address in the range specified above. From the remote user's Mac, you can browse the internet securely, protected by any security profiles you applied earlier. On the FortiGate unit, go to VPN, Monitor, IPsec Monitor, and verify that the tunnel status is up, and that there is incoming and outgoing data. Thank you for watching. For more information, you can access Fortinet's documentation library at docs.fortinet.com, and check out cookbook.fortinet.com for more tutorials like this one.